So I prepared cedarwood, lavender, and wild orange for this client today.
It is strong?
Yes, a little bit, gentle though. This is a space for remembering who you are underneath the roles, beneath the resilience. You don't have to explain the parts that don't make sense yet. You don't have to be clear or ready. You only need to be here. We are not rushing toward answers. We are honoring the questions. So let your body speak. Let the story unwind itself. Just be curious. Just be honest. Just be human.
How are you feeling now at the end of a 1.5 hour deep dive?
I'm feeling peaceful, and I feel like I have a lot to integrate and absorb. I feel good.
Good. Thank you so much. Is there something you wanted to share to those who may be watching this, who may find themselves resonating with you and your message?
I would say whatever you feel called to do, and if called to do any work, to do so and take a deep dive.
Thank you so much, Marilyn. Thank you.